Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. So one of my students is showing off her skills. She's finally braiding her son here and she's giving him cornrows for the first time. So after about 10 hours of lesson with me, let's see what she can do. Hey then, how are you feeling about your mom braiding your hair? How do you feel?
Happy.
You're happy? Okay, that's good.
Let's hope I do it right. Let's hope so.
You will do it right. So far, you're getting the parting great. The parting looks really great. So first, she's doing a center parting, as you guys can see. You're doing really well. It's nice.
Alrighty. That's boosting my confidence a little. So let's see. Alright. Let's clean them up a bit.
Yeah, so you just use the gel to clean up the parting.
Is that straight though?
I don't think so.
It's not straight.
You can't see what she's doing. You can't see what she's doing?
You can feel it.
Yeah.
You know
I
where the
don't
center
think
of your
so.
head is?
It's supposed to go. Oh, yeah, you done it right.
I've done it right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks right. You're doing really well.
Are you sure?
Yes, we're sure. So now she's putting the first half away. You go, girl. She do her thing. You're doing your thing, girl.
Okay.
So now your first braid is gonna go around from the center all the way around.
Why?
So make sure to measure it because you're only gonna do 3 cornrows on that side. Yeah, that's not bad. That looks like a decent size.
3.
Yeah, so keep going round with it.
Does it hurt?
No.
Okay.
Me.
It's looking great so far. You're doing well with the parting.
Brother, me.
So once you get your parting right, everything correct, I always tell you guys, braiding is all about the parting. You get a nice clean parting and everything will look correct. So now you can comb a Johnny ear. You take me out of business.
No, we still need you. Trust me.
Yeah, you still need me?
I still need you.
I feel like you're taking me out of business now. Cause that looks really neat.
It's gonna work. I still
And to
need
clean up
you.
your parting a bit more, you add a bit more edge control to make the parting a bit cleaner. Yeah. So now you can actually see if it's straight enough. It looks straight from where I'm standing behind the camera. It looks straight.
Alright.
She's doing well, Aiden. And it doesn't hurt that much, does it, Aiden? It hurt?
No.
See? She's doing good. Doing a good job. That's nice. You need another band?
Yeah.
You want another band, Johnny?
Please.
That's where I had some up there.
There's
one
I
rubber band there,
get it.
Johnny. Over there. Give your mom another band.
Gimme.
Okay.
Johnny started it, so you should say thank you to him.
Yeah, I said thanks.
Good.
That looks really neat.
Do you think?
Yes.
Okay.
So all you have to do now is start braiding from the center where you started the parting, and you just follow the parting round. So the same way that you parted you parted out the hair, the same way you're gonna follow it round with the braid.
Okay.
Remember to pick up small amount of hair as you're going along. Do not pick up too much hair. Do not rush it.
Okay. Alright. Okay, Aiden.
And then hold your head down a little so we can see what she's doing. Ooh. Wow. Yes, girl, you're doing it. Yep, just keep going slow. Don't go too fast.
Okay. Why are you making that face, Aiden?
I'm happy.
You happy? Oh.
Oh gosh. Wait.
Yeah, you're doing well, yeah. So now that you finish that, you have to just turn with the parting. Yep, just keep turning with the parting. You're doing really, really well.
Hey.
It's. I feel so hot.
Oh, you're just nervous.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're just nervous, but you're doing so good.
Don't move, Emma, don't move.
Oh, wow, it looks neat. You definitely took me out of business now.
We still need Tash. Because you got all the skills, we still need you.
Oh, thank you. I can't believe how good you are, though.
I can't believe it
Yeah,
either,
and
to
you
be
just
honest.
started.
And I just started to
You
learn
just
this.
started to learn. Oh, gosh. This is amazing.
Are you sure this is amazing?
You don't think it's amazing?
I think it is.
It doesn't feel amazing, no?
No.
Oh, when you see this, Aiden, you're going to be so proud of mommy.
Will I?
Yes, I think you will. Oh, well done, girl.
Okay.
Well done.
First one down, Aiden.
Wow.
Yes, well done.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, when you got to the back, it was a bit hard. Yeah, but it's fine. It still looks
Beginning,
neat.
I think it was very.
It still looks really, really neat.
Okay, and you said
Okay.
straight down this one.
Yeah, go straight down on that one. Say, hey guys, as you can see, she did a really good job on her first time. I am so proud of her. Well done. Aiden, how you think mommy did?
I can't even see it.
Wanna get him a mirror? Where's the mirror?
Get him a mirror. Upstairs. Get him a mirror. Look. Look at it. Why are you closing your eyes?
I want to get the prize with the mirror.
You wanna get the surprise in the mirror? Okay, so you're closing your eyes so you can get your surprise.
Okay. Come on, Johnny.
So that wasn't the mirror you bring? Oh, okay, there's a mirror.
What do you think? Huh? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Thumbs up, yay! So mommy did well. She did well on her first time. Well done, guys.
So proud of myself.